Alright guys, this is my 2012 Ford Mustang Boss. Just picked it up the other day. Got it from Copart. As you can see, it's in really good shape. Dirty from the tow truck. He hit something, I don't know what. It needs a knee assembly. Needs a fender. The door needs to be fixed. It's going to need a new bumper, new radiator, new condenser, new rim, new tire. You can see I disassembled everything already to find out what I all needed. You can see the engine. It does have a aftermarket air box on it. It is a 5-liter naturally aspirated engine, putting out 444 horsepower, 380 foot-pounds of torque. The car is a numbered car, 680. I've been looking to get a new Mustang for a while, and when I seen this one, I figured it was perfect for me because I do collision work and paint work, so it works out nice that I could afford a higher dollar car for lower, and I just got to fix it. It is really not that bad. The driver's side wheel airbag did go off, did deploy. The seat did deploy also. I'm getting that fixed. The only damage that I'm not going to be able to fix on the entire car is the marks on the dash right there, but I can live with that. I will have another video of me starting it up. I'm not going to start it up on this one. I have the original battery charging, and I have another battery in it right now. So at this point I do not want to start it. Here's the front bumper, lower valence. And it is a 6-speed. It does have the Recaro seats in it. It has 373 gears in it. So there will be more videos posted about the car as I repair it. Thank you for watching.